Good day, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson plan number 19, term 2, grade 1. The topic is recognize numbers 40 to 50. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the CAPS link. You can pause and have a look at this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the resources so you can plan and prepare for that. And today we just have an interesting fact. Remember, interesting facts are always there so we can create a love for mathematics. Then with the daily routine, I want you then with the daily routine to pause here and then ask the questions. Welcome back. We're going to look at the counting. The counting is then from 0 to 20. So I want the learners to count. And when they come, for instance, to 15, you're going to tell them to stop. And then you're going to give them a word problem. And you're going to say, Cynthia has 15 books. Sipo has 12 books. Who has fewer books? And then what you're going to do is you're going to count backwards until 12. So how many more books does Cynthia have than Sipo? So very important to have word problems while counting because this places the numbers in context for learners. Remember again, don't forget to do your concrete counting with real objects or your representative counting where you use the SA Teacher library or you make drawings of different objects. I want you to pause now here and then do the counting activity. Welcome back. The mental mathematics again is we're going to do similar as what we did the previous day, but this time we're going to give the numbers, the 10 numbers, and they need to give you 3 more than that number. Please do this activity as an oral activity. I want you to pause and do the mental mathematics. Welcome back. So today we're going to do the activity similar than what we did in the previous 2 lessons. So what you're going to do is we're going to work between the number range 40 and 49. You're going to write the number on the board and then you're going to say this is 43. And then you do it with all the other numbers. You can also write it on a piece of a paper. Then what you're going to do is you're going to write all the numbers in sequence or only a few of them. And then you're going to point to one number and you're going to ask what is before or after 42. And the learners will answer then 41 is before 42 and 43 is after 42. Then again, we're going to revise the numbers that we done previously. And then we're going to focus on 40 to 49 by using our cards. Here again, you can see we're counting tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. Then again, like we did previously, you're going to recognize or find these numbers in magazines or advertisements or newspapers. If you don't have magazines, newspapers, or advertisements, you just randomly write these numbers off a piece of paper. You say the number and the child needs to point to it. Then again, at our different levels, it's exactly what we did previously. So just quickly going to go over it. So you're going to go outside, you're going to write the numbers, they're going to read and recognize it. Then on the representative level, use the number plus the beads. And then your problem solving is just again a number to say which is one more and which is one less. Again, it's using concrete resources and then representative. Remember with problem solving, we're preparing them to do problem solving on their own and to read it. Then with the worksheet, you're going to go through the worksheet again. It's similar to your previous worksheets, and the learner is going to complete it and complete it with your support. Then lastly, we're going to come to the consolidation. If you got yeses, you can carry on with the next lesson. If you got no's, you need to revise, revisit certain questions or activities or contact us at SA Teacher.